this is Jana from Blooming Crafts, and for today's video I'll be showing you how to make a pencil holder. Well, let's jump right into the materials. For the materials you will need some clay that would dry. I'm using Play-Doh soft pack that I got from the dollar store, a sharp pencil, and some food coloring. So over here I've got my Play-Doh, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to section it into a smaller portion. This will be your pencil holder size. You can have it whatever size you want. Next, you will want to divide it into 4 sections, or however many colors you would like to use. Try to have your clay sectioned equally. Then, you will add your food coloring. My first color is blue. I'm going to add 1 drop since I would like mine to be light. The more you add, the darker it will be. Then, I'm going to mix it. I'll do this to the rest of my 3 colors. Now that I've finished the rest of my colors, I'll roll them together. This is what my colors would look like for my pencil holder. Make sure to roll it well together so there aren't any cracks when it dries. If there are any cracks, it might break down. There we go. Next, I'll roll mine from one side to make it more oval. Once I'm done with that, I'll flatten the bottom like so. Next, I'm going to make sure that it's as symmetrical as possible. Now, I'm going to add the face. I'll use the back of my pencil to form the mouth, like so. For the eye, you can make it as creative as you'd like to make it unique. I decided to make mine yawn by giving it closed eyes. Voila! There you have it! Just let the holder dry for about 2 days before using it. For the second type, I've already divided my clay equally. For this pencil holder, only use 2 colors. I decided to make mine pink and blue. I then added 4 drops of each. Then mixed each color. Now I'm just going to roll it to make sure that there are no cracks in between. I then rolled it oval-like and added the mouth to both colors. Next, I added in the eyes. For this one, I decided to have 2 holders, angry and annoyed. I then merged the bottom and flattened it like so. There you have it. For the last holder, it will be jumbo. I used an entire new pack that was already pre-colored for this one. I first rolled it, then flattened the bottom. Next, I used my scissors to cut through the middle top part like so. I then used my pencil to make it look neater and have a wide bottom. Next, I added the two eyes as a holder instead of the mouth. And for the mouth, it will hold the cue cards. All done! Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and comment down below which of these do you like best.